8.5 acres of American history. There's a barn in the back. Forsythe home, built in 1818. Part of four other tracts, 4 other buildings, which was 198 acres of land at one point in the middle of a subdivision. It's only 8.5 acres of land. Mr. Kravitz wants to put 10 homes stacked on top of each other. West Goshen Township is already maxed out in terms of development. Just up the road is the historic Shiloh AME Church and Cemetery dating back to 1817. 14 United States colored troops, 140 graves owned by another property owner. Headstones were removed in the 60s. Remains of the church bulldozed. This is what happens when we don't stand up for our history. When you own a home like this, history is stewardship. It requires all of us to stand up and protect our history, our legacy, our community.